what's going on, guys? Are you trying to rank for a specific keyword, but you're just getting nowhere? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and you could do it yourself. Watch this! Hey guys, I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers, and today's date, February 24th. I currently have 4,030 subscribers. I just need 970 more subscribers before March 1st. Giving away this book. To just put in the comment section, I subscribed. I'm going to pick one person who said that, and I will send them this book. I also am going to write a note inside for you. So I'm not just going to send it from Amazon. I'm actually going to send it. This is actually my book with my notes and everything in it. So just please write, I subscribed, and this lesson's going to blow you away. Guys, I want you to take a good hard look at this picture, because for 90% of the people watching this video, this is you. I'm just fishing. All right, guys, so I had a client who had a very specific problem. He's an electrician in New York City, and he just wanted more ECB violation removal jobs. Of ECB violation is an inspector goes to a building and sees something isn't done right, gives the owner of the building a big violation. Unless they could change the violation, they could fix it within, a very short amount of time. So my client said to me, hey, how do we get more ECB violation jobs? And I said, okay, give me a couple of minutes. Let me think about that. So I want to take you through the process as to what I did. But even better, what I want you to be thinking about at this time is, what can you do, right? What keywords are you trying to rank for that you're not being successful in ranking them? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, fair enough? All right, watch this. All right, guys, so before we go any further, I just want to show you his ranking. He's ranking #1 for ECB violation removal, right? And this is nationwide. I had people check from all different places. Also, as you know, I used the Chrome extension called GS Location Changer, and I fooled around with a couple of different locations. And this keyword, he is ranking #1, ECB violation removal. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how we did it. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, as you know, I'm a fan of using a program called Semrush, right? Where you could put in the keyword like ECB violation, and you could see how hard it is to rank for that keyword. And you also want to see how many people are searching a month for that keyword. So what I did was I noticed that there's a lot of action for that keyword. Look, if 210 people are looking for ECB violations, right? Well, those 210 people must have an issue. That's not a keyword that you just stumble upon. Those are specific. You have that violation, you type into Google how to remove it, and you want somebody to remove that violation, because from what I understand, that violation could be a lot of money, right? Okay, so I had to use something called like a foot in the door technique. Basically, what I tried to do here was say, okay, if I just get him a domain name and try to rank for ECB violation, it may take a little while, right? So I used a variation on the domain name called emergency ECB violation removal. And you know what? It may not show in the stats, but he gets several calls a month just using that keyword. We have a tracker, so we could track that. So not many, but anybody who calls, they need it done right away. So he gets several jobs a month. So I used the word, I first started off with emergency ECB violation removal. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these related keywords, and I'm going to write pages, for example, called pay ECB violation removal, or how to pay ECB violation removals, right? ECB fines, ECB violations. What does ECB mean? Violation mean, right? So that's really my next step. So I could get him found for other keywords. But what I needed was a foot in the door. I first had to tell Google, okay, this is what the website's about. And as you could see, we rank #1 for that keyword. Then I'm going to build services pages here and blog pages and so on and so forth. But I did my job. I did what I was supposed to do. I got him ranked. Now, let's go back to that fishing picture. That fishing picture is you, and I'll tell you why it's you. You have one website, and you've been trying to rank for a specific keyword for months, and for some people, years. You don't need one. You could get other websites. You could use your same phone number on other websites, right? So you write your website just based on that keyword. Now, if you do an image search for ECB violation, you're going to see forms like this. You notice we didn't just put any pictures we wanted. So if you type in ECB violation or ECB violation removal, you'll see these types of forms. So these are the pictures, the same types of pictures that we used on the website. How could I apply? How do I get amnesty? See, all this. All these are going to be additional pages. But like I said, I wanted to get them ranked right away to start. Right? Now you need to think about your top keyword. If you're a DJ in New York, if you're a breast enhancement doctor, but however, on your website you have 20 different services. Create a different website for that specific service so you could get ranked. Now, you use your same phone number that you use on your website. It's not a confusion, it's okay. And what you do also is you embed your GMB map. Now, you're not going to be found in maps because when you go to your Google My Business, you have to insert the website that you're going to use. And with this client, we're using his main website in his Google My Business. I'm trying to rank him organically for this keyword. Now, could I play some other games? In fact, I did. You could play some other games where you could get another office, and you could just set that office up for this keyword. You use another phone number, and so this way you could get found in the Google My Business. You'll have a postcard sent to that office. You'll verify the number, and then ECB violation removal, is your satellite office, and that handles ECB violation removals or whatever your service is. So basically what I'm trying to say is you have to get off the idea of only having one website and trying to rank. There are going to be some keywords that you just can't rank for, but try to buy some exact match domain names that are available and build the website solely on that keyword, right? That makes sense? Build the website solely on that keyword. Now, I like using, a website called Semrush to get some ideas. I also gave some ideas. I also done some videos on how to write content and how to get some content ideas. If you haven't seen them, you could definitely go back. I'll try to put the link in the description below. And but you know what? You could do this, right? ECB violation. I'm going to show you a couple of things. All right, I'm going to help you. There's only a couple of good guys on this YouTube thing. I like to think I'm one of them. Chris Palmer, Ruan Marino, my friend Darren from Untitled SEO. those were all good guys. Holly Starks, good girl, right? It was all good people. They'll all try to help you. They'll all try to help you. But so here you go. So, you know, related searches. I would try to write, if you don't have Semrush, try to write on there. Here, those are some other subjects. Or you could do this. Watch, ask the public, right? So I want to know more about ECB violation removal. And I want to know the questions that people are typing into Google. So I would, oh, it's not ask the public. I always do that. It's answer the public, right? Sorry about that. And I hate that when people do that. Answer. I hate when people do that. When they're not prepared and they don't know the websites that they're typing in, and you got to go with them on this journey trying to remember everything they did. I just did it. Okay? So anyway, this website called Answer the Public, see, look, how to fight ECB violations, how to clear, how to pay, where to pay. See that? You can just come to this website and it'll give you all the questions that people are answering. There's different ways to do it. You could click this and it'll list them down in a list rather than an image. You know, whatever you want to do. But that's what you need to do. You need to create a website based on that one keyword and then further and further expand that website. Now, it's not just one website. You could develop as many websites as you want, right? You could develop as many websites as you want. And here's another thing. If you guys stood this long, I want to show you something. So you have your ECB violation, right? Why not create a Facebook fan page, right? Called Emergency ECB Violations. And all the content that you put on your website, link to that specific Facebook page. That specific Facebook page is going to be all about ECB violation removals. Now you may say, well, I don't see the value in that. Well, here's two things. One, you're going to take 2 spots in the 10. One is going to be your exact match domain name, and your second one is going to be your Facebook page. So you're going to knock you're going to knock 2 people out of the top 10 in Google. 2 of the choices is you. If Google sees that your Facebook page has nothing but stuff about ECB violation removal, and your exact match has ECB violation removal, there's a very, very good chance that you're going to rank for that keyword. Very, very good chance. Now, there are a lot of videos on, keyword difficulty. You certainly want to check the keyword difficulty. That's why I use a tool like this Semrush. It shows a 54, whereas the emergency ECB violation was like a 0 or a 10 or something. I forget off the top of my head. It was really low, if nothing. And that's why I was able to get like that foot in the door. And then once I'm already known for that, then start to expand out. But you want to use a tool like Semrush. There's a lot of them out there. And it'll let you know the keyword difficulty. So my client wanted results right away, and I wanted to make the phone ring right away. I didn't want to wait too long. So I got a little foot in the door. I used an easy keyword. And then from there, I'm going to start building that out a little at a time. So one thing that I just want to go over with you is embed the same Google map that is for your main website. Embed it on this website and use your business phone number. The same phone number that you use for your business. It's okay to use for more than one business. Okay? And the other thing is when you use images, I've said this before, but when you use images, don't just pick any images that you like. Actually go to Google. Watch this. Go to images and see the type of images. See, look, these are our images right here. ECB violation removals. These are ours. This is it. This is ours. I like saying that. This is ours. This is ours. Here's his main website. He also ranks on that. Now, that's a good point. You could also have not same content, different content, but you could have an ECB violation removal on your website. It's okay. You could have it on your website, right? So you want to rank in images also. Images is a big boost in Google if you could get ranked in images, right? Guys, did this help you? Right? You don't want to be that single guy sitting on a log with one fishing pole. Create other websites. All my clients, starting March 1st, they paid me for one website. I'm going to start creating more than one for them. Several of them I've already done at no charge, right? I do that at no charge. I develop one website, then I do some keyword specific websites. And I could do that for you if you like. However, you could do it yourself, like I said in the beginning of this video, and definitely make it work. Definitely make it work. Guys, if you have any questions, any comments, please put them down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm giving away the book. And the secret, here's the secret, right? The real reason why I make these videos is definitely to help people. But the other thing is to get my message out there, to be good to your family. Be good to the people that you love. Be good to your kids. You know, I remember saying one time in a video, but it was so true, man. I used to watch this show called Wonderama, and at the end they would say something like, kids are people too. And I was like, yeah, I'm a person, you know. Yeah, right? I'm like, yeah, I'm a person. Like, I don't have to be treated like, treat people well. Treat people in your family well, right? Kiss your wife. Kiss your kids. Do the unexpected thing, right? If Wednesday your wife always makes meatloaf or you always make meatloaf, maybe you take them out to dinner tonight. Maybe you do something different, right? Make the bed. Don't wait for your wife to ask you to take out the garbage. Take out the garbage. Walk the dog. Right? Do those little things, man. Always try to do 51% in the relationship at home. Let that other person do the 49, right? Right? Be the good guy, or be the good person, the good girl. 98% of the people that watch my videos are men. So when I say guy, I'm sorry to the 2%, but 98% of you guys, you're like me. You get caught on a project, you're sitting on your computer for 18 hours, and you don't get up. Right? But you can't ignore the people in your family. So get up every once in a while, give them a kiss, take out the garbage, right? Kiss your wife. Do stuff like that. Be a good guy. Be a good guy. Right? All right, guys. So look, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, put it in the description below. And get more websites, kid. Get more websites. Just keep getting them. Get more websites. Write specific content on that website. And you're going to rank. You're going to rank. Let's make that phone ring.